Umentri Rangba Kajela Konrad Kesangma Hakasngi Satjan Uloong Bakasor Karjela Kan Kershan Pisai Ki Riewstad Bat Ki Nongthoh Ban Kyntiew Ye Ktien Tenrai Lajong. Ye kini ulapan pau haka hajam Kisor Singh Memorial Lecture bala pelong da ke Unitarian Union North Eastern India kum kadak ban raki kadengko sngiyap pasispa jong haka jingelang kablalong hau susotham auditorium Shillong.
And finally, I request General Secretary of the Unitarian
T. German Jones. He joined the civil government service in 1885. From his youth, Hajam Kisor Singh had a considerable aptitude for religion, and after his conversion, he started an
of wanting Khasi language and Garo language to be put in the 8th schedule is a issue that we have taken up at a different level now, where a resolution has been passed by the Assembly which was not done in the earlier times, and continuously more than 4 to 5 memorandums have been submitted to the central government, and I want to give you that assurance that we will continue to push and ensure that we don't leave any stone unturned in terms of ensuring that our languages are also put in the 8th schedule. But while that is going on, I think what is important is for us to be able to also look at what we can do as a society, what we can do as educationists, what we can do as academicians and as a government in terms of promoting our own culture and our own language. And this is something that I have said in many and the beliefs that he had and the kind of initiatives that were taken way before his time. In fact, if you look at the different points that were mentioned, I was surprised to learn about the skills aspect, as was mentioned by Professor Lamare.